Moving on, let's get to NFTs. That's the thing I think that interests a lot of people, especially at the moment. But NFTs are fairly straightforward. You create an NFT collection, and within that collection, you can create NFTs. So as you guys see, we have this already pre-populated NFT collection, calling it NFT Drop 1. And within NFT Drop 1, you have this NFT. And there's a certain amount of them. And we're going to create them from scratch just so I can show you guys the process. Let's minimize some of these things. So NFT collection. Let's create a collection. We'll call it NFT Special Edition number 1. I'll go back to my trusty thingamajig. First edition NFTs for the Eating Doves community. And we'll do a little description. Owners of these first edition NFTs get exclusive access to my WhatsApp. Let's upload an image. Actually, I already created some NFTs. We'll just do the common one as the image. Save. Now, collection is created. Let's just say Liquiditeam is the sponsor of this NFT collection. Another really cool thing you can make NFT collections sponsored by different companies, different sponsors. So once you create the sponsors, they'll then appear in this dropdown. We'll just say Liquiditeam is the sponsor here. We'll publish this. And then what we can do is we can create the actual individual NFTs. So we go to NFTs, create an NFT, and let's upload the first one, which is the common. So this is going to be the common NFT. It says here common. There's going to be, let's say 30. Okay, and it's going to be a part of the special edition number 1. And the name, I have some stuff here. Eating Doves first edition common NFT. Owners of this get access to my exclusive thing, And you can also link it to something. So maybe if you want to say it's sponsored by Under Armour, or maybe it's sponsored by Nike, you can link it to stuff. But for the sake of this, I'm going to take off sponsors. We'll keep it with just an NFT. I created them. I minted them. I'm publishing these NFTs. I'm selling them. No sponsors. Here we go. Extended info. Here's where you can do a little bit of extended info. Just lorem ipsum, whatever. Save. And there you go. This NFT is now created. You can then mint them, or you can just create all of them one by one. We'll continue uploading. I'll try to speed through this. We have the rare version. Let's say there's only 20 of these. And I will paste this. Again, add different perks, add different things to them as you see fit. Takes too much time for me to do that right now. Let me add to the special edition 1. I'll take away the sponsor and I'll save. All right. Go back to NFTs. So now I have a common, a rare. Now let's create a super mega ultra rare, unique, 1 of 1. There it is. Look at that. It's pretty sweet, right? And there's only 1 of them. That makes it quite unique. It's part of the special edition 1. No sponsor. Now, the reason it kept trying to put Liquiditeam as the sponsor is because the collection is sponsored by Liquiditeam. So naturally, it'll be set as the sponsor. But just to show you guys a more simplified publishing thing, because here you can add a link and you can add extended info. What this will mean is when they get the NFT, it'll say like, hey, you got this NFT sponsored by Liquiditeam. Also, there's a button and it'll say like, check out the Nike shop as well for like 40% off or whatever. So that's where you would then add this link and the title, which would be the button, so maybe it's like shop Puma and then it's like a link to Puma, you know what I mean? See, as you guys can see, I already created something similar before, and then you'd add some text here. And for the unique one, it's going to be the same, except they also get my Lamborghini. My Lamborghini, like, it's yours if you got this NFT. This NFT is going to cost you like $1 million. And is it even worth it at that point? I think so. You could just go buy a Lamborghini, but then you're not in the Eating Dubs community, and that's a problem. So we'll go ahead and save. It's going to take a little time because it is actually creating them, publishing them. And once this is finished, we're then going to head back to collections, and it's created. And now we're going to go to collections, NFT Special Edition 1. Now you have all of these NFTs are associated with this collection, sponsored by Liquiditeam or Nike or Puma or whatever you want to do. And then you're ready to mint them. Once you mint all these NFTs, they will be available. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to mint them. Mint all NFTs. It's now processing. There's blockchain things happening. NFTs were minted. Now let's open them. Page not found because I need a hard refresh, of course. It's the story of my life. Hard refreshing. We'll go to NFTs. And NFT drop, sponsored by Liquiditeam, NFT Special Edition 1. Click on it, and you see the common, rare, and unique. You click on it, and you get some info about it, some collection info, extended info. This is sweet. Shop Puma, because that's the sponsor. Shop Liquiditeam, whatever you want to call it. These like borders can all be edited when you go to the customization, as I mentioned. Look and feel, you then go to NFTs. You could change the different border colors. So if it's unique, it's going to be gold. As you guys can see, this one's unique, so it's gold. And yeah, the different rarity levels will set predefined color schemes to those NFTs. So that's really cool. And then, as you guys remember, I did a trigger where I received an NFT when I boosted content. You can set it, whatever types of triggers you want, where it's like every time they log in, there's an X% chance that they can receive an NFT. Or every time they create some type of, every time they do something. I'll just show you guys that real quick. So this is the create a giveaway. So this is like a trigger. This is like when something happens, give them an NFT. Let's say event. Let's say when the user opens the app, because you want them to log in every day. And every day they'll have a chance to win an NFT. You could say there's a 100% chance they get an NFT, or you could say there's a 5% chance. And you could set this giveaway chance, basically means decreases the chance that this giveaway will be selected if multiple giveaways for an event are defined. So if there's multiple giveaways going on, you can set that user limit period. You could say that it can only happen one time in their life, right? One time. You can also say that by the hour it can happen 5 times, or whatever you want to do. Then you say only the commons will be associated with this giveaway. Or you can say the super unique is associated with this, and then you can change this event to something like super rare, like maybe their AMA question gets marked as answered. Maybe you're only going to answer one AMA question or something super rare. I mean, a proposal is implemented if another participation thing is proposals, where users can propose different things, where they can say like, my proposal is that we donate to, Make-A-Wish Foundation or something. And if that proposal is actually implemented, you actually implement it, maybe that's valuable enough to your community that you're like, all right, when that happens, you get a unique NFT. And there's only 5 of them, and there's going to be only 5 proposals the whole year that generates interest, generates buzz, generates activity and engagement in the platform. And you combine that with sponsorships, you guys can start to see how you say, hey, sponsors, look how engaged my community is. Look how often they open the app. Look how many people vote and publish things and boost stuff. That's a lot of eyeballs, and it's a lot of engaged eyeballs. And you start to see how lucrative that can be. So engagement. This is an engagement platform. It's a content community management system, and it's Web3, it's blockchain, there's NFTs. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the valuable and important stuff.